Hi, in this video we are going to see the university recruitment notification, and it is a very good news to the candidates who are looking for the professor associate as well as assistant professor vacancies. And coming to the pay scales here, for the professor pay level 14 and associate 13A, and for the assistant professor pay level 10, that is for the assistant professor the range is 57,700 to 1,82,400 rupees per month. Okay, and this recruitment drive is only for the SC, ST and the OBC candidates, and it is not for the unreserved category. Okay, and please share this notification to your friends or colleagues, okay, who are looking for such type of opportunity, so it will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification matching up with your requirement, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification to your mobile phone, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan, that the link I kept in the description box of this video, and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is Central University of Rajasthan special recruitment drive for various teaching positions for SC, ST, OBC, PWD and the EWS category. So online applications are invited from eligible Indian citizens and overseas citizens of India in the prescribed format through website for recruitment on the post of professor, associate and assistant professor in various academic departments. Minimum qualification, experience, reservation and relaxation in age, service conditions, emoluments, age of superannuation, etc. will be prescribed by the university, UGC, Government of India, which are available at the university websites. Okay, and coming to the details regarding this one also kept here in this PDF, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So to get the accurate and more details, please once visit the official website. And online applications are invited from the Indian nationals, including the overseas citizens of India, to fill up the faculty positions. And coming to the professor, the department Hindi, and here the minimum eligibility is also given here. So for professor, associate as well as for both these two, the PhD as well as the minimum experience is required. But anyhow, I am just telling the subjects here. For professor, Hindi, education, one for ST and one for SC. And coming to the associate professor, atmospheric science, computer science and environmental science, and education, one SC and one OBC. And coming to the assistant professor, so architecture, one OBC, and linguistics, one EWS, and sports bioscience, one OBC, statistics, one EWS, and education, one OBC. Okay, so these are the departments and as well as the number of vacancies, guys. Very few vacancies are there. And coming to the eligibility for the architecture and assistant professor, Bachelor of Architecture or else a Masters in Architecture with at least 55% in any one of the two degrees, and minimum 2 years of experience must be there. If PhD is there, then it will be preferable. Coming to the linguistics, Master's degree in linguistics from an Indian university or an equivalent degree from an accredited foreign university, at least 55% in Master's degree and at least 60% in at least two preceding examinations. So national eligibility test in the linguistics, and candidates who have awarded a PhD degree in accordance with the provisions contained in the are exempted from the NET qualification. Okay, so if you are having PG plus NET in the linguistics, you can apply this. And coming to the assistant professor in the sports bioscience, here the master's degree in any area of sports science, life science, human physiology, physiotherapy from an Indian university, and at least 55% in the master's degree in the relevant subject, and at least 60% in the at least two preceding examinations for unreserved category, and at least 50% in master's degree in relevant and at least 55% in at least two preceding examinations of the OBC category. UGC or the CSIR national eligibility test in life science, ARS NET in food technology, NET in home science, UGC NET in physical education. And candidates who have awarded the PhD degree in accordance with the 2018 regulations, those candidates are exempted from the national eligibility test qualification. Okay, so here the If you're having life science net and food technology and home science or physical education, then you may apply for this one, guys. And coming to the statistics, master's degree, 55% in master's degree and at least 60% in any in the at least 2 preceding examinations. Net qualification is required. Coming to the education, postgraduate with minimum 50% in the discipline relevant to the area of specialization and at least 55 in at least 2 examinations preceding the post graduation. Fine. So MEd or MA education with minimum 50% and net qualification in education is required. And these are the pay scales, guys, and it is a rolling advertisement. If sufficient number of applications are received by the 31st October 2021, then it will be proceeded for the interview in the first phase, and the applications received for other positions shall be considered for the next phase. Okay, so these are the things, and few terms and conditions are also given here, so you please check down all these conditions, guys. And coming to the application fee, OBC and EWS 1500 rupees, SC ST PWD 750 rupees, and a regular employees of Central University of Rajasthan, okay, no need to apply. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if your subjects are not covered here, then please mention your subjects in the comment section, guys. So if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification to your phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And here after one submission of the online application, okay, after successful payment of fees, candidates will be required to take the printout of the online application form and send it in an envelope duly superscripted, application for the post of dash, department of dash, to this I mentioned at. That means online application as well as the hard copy, both these two you need to send, guys. Okay, so to get the more details, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,